Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, write a comment and don't miss my videos even though YouTube is just hiding them from you. Go to the channel, look how many videos you have missed, there are so many. I just need you to do me a favor. I need high activity right now on my channel. Likes, comments, subscriptions, bells, reposts, as much as possible on any video, particularly under this one, so that my channel can come back to life and you and I can start to get back into the trends and take our rightful place there instead of some childish content.